Hello, plant enthusiasts, ready to explore the flip side of greenery. Join us as we delve into the realm of top 10 toxic household plants for pets, unveiling the hidden dangers lurking in our homes. Let's ensure the well-being of our furry friends. Dieffenbachia, or dumb cane, may allure with its broad leaves, but its allure turns perilous for pets. The plant's sap holds oxalate crystals, triggering oral irritation, vomiting, and difficulty swallowing. Caution is crucial to keep our furry companions safe from harm. Philodendron, a popular houseplant, harbors danger for pets. Its leaves contain calcium oxalate crystals, causing oral irritation, excessive drooling, vomiting, and difficulty swallowing. Aesthetic caution is advised to ensure the well-being of our furry companions. Sago palm, an ornamental gem, hides a perilous secret for pets. Its seeds contain psychocin, leading to severe liver damage and potentially fatal consequences. A botanical beauty, yet a hazard demanding awareness for the safety of our beloved furry friends. Lilies, captivating with their elegance, harbor a severe threat to pets, especially cats. Even small ingestions can induce kidney failure. Despite their floral allure, lilies demand careful exclusion from homes with furry companions for their safety. Pothos, the resilient devil's ivy, enchants with trailing vines but conceals a pet hazard. Containing calcium oxalate crystals, it induces oral irritation, excessive drooling, and gastrointestinal upset in pets. Aesthetic appeal comes with a cautionary note for furry friends' safety. Oleander, with its vibrant blooms, hides a perilous secret for pets. Containing toxic compounds, it can lead to severe symptoms, including vomiting, drooling, lethargy, and potentially fatal heart abnormalities. Aesthetic charm masked with caution for the safety of furry companions. Azalea, rhododendron, botanical beauties harbor a deadly threat for pets. Containing greenery, ingestion leads to symptoms like vomiting, diarrhea, drooling, and potentially fatal heart arrhythmias. Their floral allure conceals a hazardous reality for our furry companions. English ivy, a cascading beauty, harbors danger for pets. Ingestion can cause vomiting, abdominal pain, hypersalivation, and diarrhea. Despite its elegant appeal, caution is essential to protect our furry friends from the toxic allure of this climbing plant. Autumn crocus, a fleeting burst of fall hues, conceals a perilous secret for pets. Ingesting this plant can lead to severe gastrointestinal symptoms, organ damage, and even death. A botanical beauty demanding exclusion for the safety of our furry companions. Cyclamen, with its vibrant, upside-down blooms, poses a danger to pets. Ingesting any part can lead to vomiting, diarrhea, heart abnormalities, seizures, and even death. A decorative peril, urging caution to safeguard our furry companions. And there you have it, folks. A cautionary journey through the top 10 toxic household plants for pets. If you found this information valuable, subscribe for more tips on creating a safe and thriving environment for your pets. Stay informed, stay green, and keep your furry friends safe.